name is Shaurya. I am 14 years old and I am in the 8th grade. My school is Hiranlani Foundation School, Pavai, and my team name is the Agro Engineers. My project right here is called My Friend the Agribot. Let me tell you a little bit about this project. It's here to solve the hardship of the farmers by reducing their workload, as the farmers themselves cannot check the acres and acres of land that they own. So some crops go to waste, reducing the crop yield by a lot.
This is a solution to all the hardships of the farmers. This is my robot, the Agribot. I've designed it to be a 360-degree rotation robot. It can monitor the entire area of farm. It can water the plants. It can check if there are pests and even report the findings to a central control center where the farmer or a worker can monitor the entire farm remotely, freeing the farmer to do various other tasks and not waste their time monitoring the farm plant by plant, reducing the crop yield.
Now I'll be explaining you the hardware. We're using the PictoBlock software to help with the Arduino, which is connected to the motors which is used by the motor drivers. We're also using a webcam, a moisture sensor and a water pump. Water pump to water the plants, moisture sensor to check if the plants need to be watered, and the webcam to give the alerts and check if the plants are infected or not infected. So in my software, I'm using a lovely PictoBlock software which is helping me do this complex code into a very simple format. We are using multiple different extensions. For example, we are using machine learning, image processing and Arduino to control this entire complex. Now I'm going to be showing you the working of my project. So now this motor will move this forward. This is the moisture sensor which is going to be checking if the soil needs water or not. Right here the soil is dry, so the motor is going to be dropping some water now. That makes the soil moist, allowing this to come back up. Now this will go back. And then this will continue on to the next land. Now again this will be going forward, then down. As you can see, the soil here is already moist, so it's not going to be dropping any water. So now this is going to be going forward and the moisture sensor is going to be going down, and the land here is dry, so it's going to be dropping some water, and now the land there is moist, so now the moisture sensor can come back up. Now we're going towards the last plot of land, and over here the webcam will notice that this place is infected. So then it will send an alert onto the software telling that this exact plot is infected, and it looks to be dry, so it's now also going to be putting some water over there.
So in the future scope, we plan to add a lot of things. First things first being, we plan to import this entire software onto a mobile phone, so then the farmers can use it anywhere across the world. Second, we want to make this entire project more compact, allowing the farmer more space for crops. And finally, we want to add the uses of pesticides in a controlled manner, allowing the robot to finish all the tasks of the farmer.